Okay, welcome back, dear students. We are still, in Unit 7, where do you live? And now we are going to do task number 3, which is grammar. And in grammar today, we are going to examine the prepositions. Prepositions are words that are used to connect, other words, or to connect, phrases or clauses and so on, and to show direction or to show, time and so on. So here, or places even. So here today, as you can see, the first prepositions that we are going to talk about, or that we are going to investigate, in and on, connected with the verb live. To live means to dwell. Yaskun. Verb live plus a preposition. The prepositions here you see in and on. Where do you live? You can either say I live in Jeddah. That means, look, when you live in Jeddah is a city. I live in Saudi Arabia. I live in Mecca. Okay, this is a city. I live on the 3rd floor. It's a building, Imara. We change. Look here. I live on 1st Avenue. It is a street, also on. So, first, if it is a city, if it is a town, if it is a country, then we say in. If it is a building, if it is a street, then we say on type. Prepositions of place. As you can see, gentlemen, here, these prepositions are used to tell us how to describe something, by a place or a position of something. First of all, we have got across from, between, next to, on, near, and far from. Let us see the first one. What can you see here? There is a school and there is a park, isn't it? All right, let's read. The park, which is this one, is across from the school. So if you are here in the school and you want to go to the park, you can use across from, which means you pass through, or you cut the road, or through the road, okay? Come across. Then the second one, as you can see, there is here the bank, and there is restaurant, and there is post office. So where is the bank? The bank is between the post office, here is the post office, office, and the restaurant. Here there's a restaurant. 3, pharmacy and books, bookstore. So where is the pharmacy? Pharmacy is a place where you get medicines, okay? Saydaliya, pharmacy. So the pharmacy is next to the bookstore. Here the pharmacy, here the bookstore. So next to means comes after. Look at the bus stop. Where is the bus stop? The bus stop is on the corner. On the corner. Look, here we've got next to, between, across from, and now on the corner. It is on the corner. We have got museum and hotel. So, where is the museum? The museum is near the hotel. Is near the hotel. بالقرب من. And last one, where is the airport? The airport is far from town. It is not near. It's the opposite of near is far, okay? So it's far from town. Far from town. بعيد من المدينة. The second part of our grammar, task, as you can see here, imperatives for directions. And in Unit 3, I think we introduced imperatives, do's and don'ts. So here, these imperatives, these instructions, these orders are for directions, for giving directions, and they're very important, by the way. They help you. Whenever we see this signal or this sign, then that means turn left. And if we want to make it, courteous, we want to make it polite, we want to make it, more adequate, then we say, please turn left, or turn left, please. This one means turn left, turn right, go straight, go up, go down, and if there is, it's a hill or something, then we say go up and go down type. Go to the practice. Now we are going to the practice. Match the questions with the answers. How many questions do we have? We've got 6 questions here. You see, is there a restaurant in the mall? Question 2. Is the airport far from the city? Question 3. Where is the convenience store? Question 4. Is the bank open on Friday? Question 5. Where do you live? Question 6. Is the post office next to the park? Okay. So now the answers that are supposed to be chosen. My apartment's on the second floor. A. B. No, it's between the bank and the health club. C. No, it isn't. It is closed. D. Yes, there is. It is across from the bookstore. E. No, it isn't. It's near the city. And F. It is on the corner of Dade and Main Streets. All right. So now, please try to choose and write the letter here. Then we will check it together. Okay, now let's check together the whole answers. As you can see, yes, number 1 goes with D. D, yes, there is. It's across from the bookstore. 2 goes with E. E, is the airport far from the city? No, it isn't. It is near the city. 3 goes with F. D, E, F. Where's the convenience store? It is on the corner of Dade and Main Streets. 4 goes with C. Is the bank open on Friday? No, it isn't. It's closed. 5 goes with A. Where do you live? My apartment's on the second floor. And number 6, B goes with B. Is the post office next to the park? No, it is between the bank and the health club. And still, the second, look at the picture, complete the sentence with the correct prepositions. Again, you need to get back to the picture of lesson, of task number 1, which is listen and discuss, okay? And try, there is a pharmacy, we need to use the prepositions either in, on, between, across, near, far from, up to, or down to, and this, the prepositions that we have shown already or we've discussed already. So there is a pharmacy, the bookstore. 2, the bank is the supermarket. The police officer is dash, the bank. There is a bookstore dash, the supermarket and the pharmacy. The Spanish restaurant is dash, the bank. There is an English school dash, the corner. It is dash, the second floor. Please try it first, get back to the picture and try to write the correct preposition, and then we will check it together. Yes, look at number 1. We'll check it together. Let's check number 1 and see. Number 1, next to. There is a pharmacy next to the store, bookstore. 2, the bank is the supermarket. Let's check. Across from. 3, the police officer is the bank. Near or in front of the bank. In front of that, we discussed this already before. 4, there is a bookstore, the supermarket and the pharmacy. So 2 buildings here between. The Spanish restaurant, the bank, it's next to. There is an English school, the corner. So you remember the corner, which preposition is supposed to be used? It is on. It is the second floor, on as well, okay? Here, write the names, listen. Okay, first of all, we are going to practice listening, and then what should we do after we practice listening? Write the names of the places on the map. So as you can see here, what's this place? Here, a hotel, bookstore, restaurant. This one is blank, empty. So we need to listen, and then you write down the names of the places, okay?
1. Excuse me, where's the English school? Go straight, turn left. It's across from the supermarket. 2. Is there an internet cafe near here?
Yes, there is. Go straight. It's on the corner on your right. It's next to the bookstore.
3. Where is the subway stop? Go straight, turn right at the corner, then walk a block. It's between the pharmacy and the restaurant.
4.
Where's the convenience store? Go straight, turn right at the corner. It's on your right. It's next to the bank.
Okay, it is here, all right? So you are here and then you just follow the instructions and write down the places, okay, that are mentioned. Finally, listen to the stress on the different syllables. Then practice. The stress, that means the part of the word which you say, you know, a little bit heavier or higher than the other part of the word, especially in this case, as you can say, airport. So which part of the word which is, you know, a combination of two words, air and port. So which one is supposed to be said higher, you know, louder than the other part, okay? So you see, apartment, university, restaurant, museum, conversation, okay? Let's listen to this one is for your, to develop your, you know, pronunciation skills.
First syllable. Airport. Restaurant. Second syllable. Apartment. Museum. Third syllable. University. Conversation.
Okay, so here what do you mean by syllables? As you can see, airport. That means there is no fractions, no parts, just one combination, okay? The word is said one combination. And here, as you can see, how many syllables are there? There are 2 syllables, apartment. You know, when you hear, you listen, then you practice, you notice that very clear. Apartment, there are 2 parts, مقطعين. So if there's more than the third syllable, means the university. There are 3 syllables, ثلاث مقاطع للكلمة. So each, if it is 1 syllable, the stress is on the first part of the word. If it is second, you see here, it is in the middle. And if it is third, also it is in the middle. Okay. Now we get back to. Okay. All right. So the next video is going to be about some practice on conversation and reading, inshallah. So prepare yourself for that, and we'll do it together in the coming video, inshallah. Thank you.